I have a lot of clients that are very playful and have strong personalities. And they come to me and usually are looking for something where the colour isn't that strong because their personalities speak for themselves. So they're looking for more dusty, powdery undertones, something that's more natural. I went throughout the hair painting pieces that gave dimension. And around the face, I went a lot heavier with the blonde just to bring out her eyes and her face shape. After the highlights, I used the TBH pastel toning service and went through on the root area just to create more dimension there, as I feel this makes the colour look more natural. On the mid-lengths, I wanted to bring out those powdery, dusty tones and then just bring that down onto the ends for a minute just to keep the vibrance.